So hello people of the universe and hello people of the earth. Welcome back to my channel. And now in our vlog today we're gonna solve math problems using Python. So here, as you can see, this activity is gonna enhance our programming skills by solving all the problems using Python. So as you can see, there are a lot of problems here, about 10 problems to solve using Python, but we are tasked to only choose 2 problems. So I have chosen this, number 7 and number 10. So without any delay, we're gonna start solving. Are you excited? Yes, I am excited. So here, let's go to Python Sandbox. I have chosen Python Sandbox because it is easy, it's very convenient, and it is very appealing to the eyes. But I recommend using IdlePython in solving more complicated problems and codes. So we're gonna start. So earlier I've already made my code so that it won't be difficult for us. First, I'm gonna write my name, Mark Anthony Arte, PSTCE1, ID number 214582. Now without any delay, we're gonna start solving. So first step is, let's assign mustard jelly as the variable for the number to be modded by 100. Oh, sorry, my bad. Here, in getting the last 2 digits of a certain number, we're gonna mod it by 100. So here, the variable mustard jelly is an integer. We're gonna input any value. We're gonna enter any value of mustard jelly. Next step, so the formula of getting the last 2 digits, so we're gonna mod it by 100, which is the percent sign. We're gonna let Mother Earth be the variable for the last 2 digits of mustard jelly. So these variables are just examples. You can use X, Y, Z or ABC. So these are just my examples. It doesn't matter. What matters most is the output, and shouldn't have any errors or invalid syntaxes. So here it is the formula and getting the last 2 digits. Next step is gonna print the last 2 digits of mustard jelly here. So after printing this string, we're gonna put the formula or the Mother Earth. Next step is assigning ptoy as the variable for the given power. So here, ptoy is, we're gonna input any integer for the value of your ptoy or the power. So next step is getting the result. Result or the final formula is Mother Earth, or the modded, or the last 2 digits of mustard jelly raised to our given power, raised to the given value of your ptoy. And lastly, oh sorry, my bad, I have bad mouse skills, I'm sorry for that. Lastly, print the string mustard jelly raised to the power of ptoy, and we're gonna put the result here, the result. So let's run this code. Is this correct or is this wrong? We're gonna see. Got delayed. We're gonna restart. I'm sorry. Restart. Now let's enter the value of mustard jelly. 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1 69. So we've modded it and the result is 69. The last two digits is 69. Enter the value of your pit toy. We're gonna put 6. Got delayed again. And let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 42, 1, 69. The last two digits is 69. So we're gonna enter the value of pit toy, which is 6. And tada! Master Jelvy raised to the power of pit toy is 107,918,163,081. That's a huge amount of number. So we have concluded that Master Jelvy, which is the value of 69, raised to the power of pit toy, or the power of 6. So this huge amount of number is the answer. It's the answer. So we have finished the first problem. So we're gonna proceed. Let's move on to problem number 10, which is write a program that given amount of change less than $1 will print out exactly how many quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies will be needed to efficiently make that change. So let's move on to Python Sandbox. So here I have already made my code. So first thing to do is to assign big D. I have assigned big D, or you can use any variable. Use big D for the amount. So here big D is the variable. It's an integer. We're gonna input the string enter an amount of change less than $1. So I have put this comment to be reminded, and our value is in pennies or it is in cents. So any amount is still less than $1 because it is in pennies or cents. Next is, now we're gonna copy this, our code. Let me explain it one by one. So here we're gonna print, first is the quarters. It's the formula with just the formula of big D divided by 25. This modded by 25. Next is the dimes by 10. Then nickels, big D divided by 5. It is modded by 5. And pennies is big D divided by 1. So now we're gonna try to run our code. Try 99. Tada! So as you can see here, our quarters 3, our dimes 2, nickels 0, pennies 4. I'm gonna try another input. Try 80. Tada! The 3 for the quarters, dimes 0, nickels 1, pennies 0. So that's how you solve printing out exactly how many quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies will be needed to efficiently make the change of less than $1. So we are now finished, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our vlog. So there are a lot of things that I have learned in doing this activity. First thing is I have learned to solve real-time math problems using Python. I have developed and improved my in-depth understanding skills, analyzation skills, and my programming skills. And I have also learned time management, and I have also applied these skills in doing this programming, which made it easier for me because I have learned a lot and I have gained knowledge as we have learned about different Python programming lessons in our modules and in the discussions of our teacher. And the most important thing here is I had fun while doing this activity, because if you stress yourself too much you won't learn anything, but if you have fun then you can learn and you can still enjoy your activity with having fun and not stressing yourself too much. And before I leave, I will give you again this life verse of mine, 2 Timothy 2:3. Thou therefore endure hardness as a good soldier of Jesus Christ. Because you need to mark this in your heart and in your mind, so you can push through any obstacle and any challenges, so you could attain your goals in life and reach success in the near future. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you at the next vlog. Bye bye.